I've gathered 50 of the biggest YouTubers on the planet.
And whichever one lasts the longest in this queue
भाई मौज बोलो।
for their subscribers.
Never before seen
मौज
in
भाई, मौज
YouTube
भाई, okay.
history. 1 billion subscribers worth of YouTubers are competing for one.
ठीक है, मेरे जैसे बताया बड़े तो यूनिट कितने को जानता है? कैरी मिनाटी को सब जानते हैं, ओके। और विक को जानता हूँ मैं।
चलो
विक को जानता हूँ, ठीक है। विक अपना इसके इसमें है, ये इंडियन है वैसे तो, पर अपने उसमें ब्रिटिश इंडियन है। MKBHD बेस्ट है, ओके। मार्क रोबर कौन नहीं जानता भाई। रायन टारन कौन नहीं जानता। काय सिनेट कौन नहीं जानता। लोगन पॉल कौन नहीं जानता। KSI कौन नहीं जानता। निक डिजोवानी, तो निक डिजोवानी को नहीं जानता है। ये बेसिकली जो निक डिजोवानी है ना, ये वाला, ये मास्टर शेफ अमेरिका, जो अपना वो नहीं है, क्या नाम उसका, जो सबको चिल्लाता है, उसका नाम भूल रहा हूँ मैं, गॉर्डन रैमजी, उसके जो, हाँ, उसमें उसका फाइनलिस्ट रह चुका है ये निक डिजोवानी। अभी यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारी अच्छी वीडियो बना रहा है ये। मैट पैट को नहीं जानता हूँ। AJ चंक्स को जानता हूँ। निको इज़ लॉस्ट, अगर निको इज़ लॉस्ट है तो जानता हूँ इसको मैं। बाकी तो फिर किसी को नहीं जानता हूँ फिर मैं। एंड्रिया बॉटेस को जानता हूँ मैं। एलेक्स बॉटेस, एंड्रिया बॉटेस, दोनों को जानता हूँ। दोनों सिस्टर है, दोनों चेस प्लेयर है, इंटरनेशनल लेवल के चेस प्लेयर है। बहुत बड़ी है ये दोनों। और बाकी तो ठीक है, बस मेरे को वो नहीं दिखा।
$1 million.
Oh,
And the
shit.
rules are simple. All right, put the camera down.
Close the line. Okay. So, if you step on the red line, you lose your subscribers $1 million. So be careful.
Last to leave wins it all.
Like, bro, I watch these Squid Games, like, reality show, and it's like, I feel like I'm just a target. People are not gonna be friends in this box.
We got money, bro.
It's real USD.
I'm pumped, bro. You finally made it in a video.
वो असली यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं, सॉरी।
energy. Think about that $1 million pot.
Between us, would you eliminate someone else so you could stay in?
My subscribers, of course.
काहे सिनेट को तोप के ले जा रहे हैं।
JJ, you know, the more enemies you make, the higher the chance they might eliminate you.
Oh, no, we're just goofing around. Yeah, we're just having fun.
He's literally hiding behind the money.
काहे सिनेट यार।
Look at all the YouTubers laughing and having a good time. By the end of this
बेचारा
video,
कैरी अकेले रह गया।
that's not going to be the case.
This video is absolutely the most brutal,
I hate you, Jimmy.
cutthroat piece of content you've ever seen these creators in. And the first challenge starts right now.
Pull the curtain.
You guys are not ready for this.
Oh shit.
For challenge number 1,
You can temporarily walk out of the cube and attempt a free throw. And if you make the shot, we will give a subscriber of yours a free Cybertruck. And you'll be allowed back in the challenge. But if you miss, your subscriber gets nothing and you are eliminated.
How did they get this many Cybertrucks in one place?
I cannot make that shot.
It's too risky.
बच जाओ ना,
I could not hit a free throw to save my life.
Everyone was
मार के लेगा सबसे पहले तो।
trying to decide if the first challenge was worth it. But then Mark Rober did this.
Jimmy! Peace! No! I'm doing it! No way!
Look at all the YouTubers in the background.
Oh, man, this is pressure.
This is a subscriber.
What's your name?
Matthew. Don't let him down. You got to make this man.
I got faith in you.
अरे यार शिट यार।
Are you going to win your
नहीं
biggest fan a
नहीं नहीं
Cybertruck?
नहीं।
Or are you both leaving with nothing?
ओ, यार नासा का साइंटिस्ट इतनी बड़ी गलती कैसे कर सकता है यार। या तो इसने लीप ऑफ फेथ लिया था कि होगा तो हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा तो ठीक है।
And as devastating as
मतलब
that was,
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, जितना मैंने देखा है ना, इसकी कैलकुलेशन, इसकी फिजिक्स, इससे बेटर कुछ भी नहीं हो सकती है। तुम इसका चैनल पर जाके चेक करना।
Gideon decided that maybe he could do a little better.
हाँ
रोल
Cybertruck on the line.
So bad!
What was that?
We tried.
I think I definitely lost a subscriber.
Guys, this is my moment. I am a basketball YouTuber.
If you go out there, I'll go out there too.
All right, I'm out. Hey, I'm next.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with you. Gentlemen, here's your biggest fan.
हाँ,
Pressure.
I can't watch this. I can't watch it.
Jesser, are you going to let
जैसर तो कर पाएगा लेकिन रायन नहीं कर पाएगा यार। जैसर कर चुका है, जैसर पहले भी कर चुका है ये चीज। साइबर ट्रक ले गया यार। शिट ब्रो।
Congrats on the Cybertruck. We got more shots.
Thank you, Jesser!
However, not everyone unfortunate.
अरे गधे यार रैन यार शिट
I couldn't get you to Cybertruck. Devastating.
Will FaZe Rug Spin be taking home a Cybertruck, or will we have yet another loss?
Come on, Rob.
Come on.
ओ इसको कहते हैं डंक ब्रो
I love you. Dude, I love you too.
बास्केट बास्केट सॉरी डंक तो उल्टा होता है
Seeing 3 massive YouTubers lose this challenge,
यार
nobody else wanted to try it. So in the meantime, I let all the YouTubers get settled.
That's a pro there.
But it wouldn't be long until being settled turned into being bored. Bored enough to literally be stupid.
I don't know why he's doing this, but he's technically not out
Yeah,
yet.
वो out होगा
We'll check the footage. Did he touch it? Oh, yeah.
ले मजे मजे में ले- वो गया
4 YouTubers have left the queue, and we need one more to leave before we can start the next challenge.
So challenge 2 will begin when
नहीं,
one
वो-
person gets out.
वो हाँ मतलब कोई बेटा बेटा हो गया इच्छा होगी किसी की
I'm making out like a bandit Pokemon. Can I take my jacket with me?
Of course.
Oh! Okay.
पैसा लेके जा रही 1000
Bye. And then there is 45. I'm gonna go prep the second challenge. I'll be back.
And by prep, I mean sweep up the giant pile of $1 million real dollars scattered on the floor.
रियल डॉलर नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं यार
Crazy shot.
Mr. Beast is
Pokemon तो है
wiping money off of the floor. I don't know what to tell you about this.
And now that all the money has
पॉकी नहीं हाँ बस
You guys
दिक्कत
ready
वही
for
है
the second challenge?
हम्म
Alright.
Pokemon.
I need you all to stand up. Uh-oh.
पॉकी मेन सर
dots in groups of 5 on
Man,
the floor.
sir.
So naturally, I need all of you to split up into groups of 5. And on top of that, elect a team
कैरी कहाँ है? कैरी
captain.
कौन से ग्रुप में अच्छा लोगन पॉल के उसमें ओ बेला पोर्ट तो लोगन पॉल के इसमें शिट वो पूरा चला नहीं है सर वीडियो अपन ने रोक दिया बीच में
For your group. Who
क्या
wants
क्या है?
5? And on top of that, elect a team captain for your
अच्छा टीम कैप्टन सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा ओके
group. Who will be granted immunity for this next challenge?
That's all I will say. Have fun picking teams.
This is crazy.
We had to split into groups of 5. Bro, if we're against each other, I'm gonna be so sad.
Okay, so let's do us 5.
We are in true overthinker fashion. Overthinking this challenge.
Are you 5 gonna be a group?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's gonna be the captain?
We're deciding, Jimmy.
Have you picked a captain yet?
It's Jack for some reason.
Marquez?
How can you not trust Marquez? He's the most trustworthy tech reviewer online.
ट्रस्टवर्दी है तो तुम इसका क्या मतलब होता है गेम तो समझ तो लो थोड़ा सा है क्या पता कुछ हाँ हाँ
Pick the captain, please. That's up to you guys. I want no say. How are you guys gonna pick your captain?
We already chose.
Who? Sketch, you trust him with your
I
life?
trust him. I trust him fully.
वाह
You'll notice my henchmen are bringing in tables for each of the team captains. And what's on these tables might look
ओ कैरी को बनाया कैप्टन वो शिट और उन्होंने निक डिजोवानी को बना दिया वाह
a little familiar.
Oh no, I know it is.
Yes, come on the other side.
Captains, I want you to lift the cloth and reveal the next challenge.
अरे नहीं रे ओह शिट
And each captain has to decide which YouTuber on their team will cut each cookie.
If they
नहीं
break it, they're eliminated.
And if it wasn't already obvious, the pick
हाँ मिस्टर बीस के वीडियोस के अंदर ना हाँ मैं देखा 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 देखा
depending on which cookie you get, this is either going to be really easy
हाँ नहीं मैंने देखा देखा देखा
or
उसको
impossible.
It's time to hand out some cookies.
This is the worst day of my life, honestly.
What are you handing Sketch?
इसने बोला था ना कि मेरे को लाइफ से भी ज्यादा ट्रस्ट है लाइफ से भी ज्यादा ट्रस्ट है ले पकड़ ले लेरा लंडे के लेरा लंडे के
There's no way.
This is crazy.
There's no way you would do
This is
it.
crazy.
There's no way.
लेरा लंडे के ले मादर लाइफ से ज्यादा ट्रस्ट कर रहा था उससे
Oh my god. Nico!
But the captain still had 8 more umbrellas to hand out.
Umbrella is going to Michael.
How'd you end up with Umbrella?
I said I could do it. I trust him.
Okay.
Give me that umbrella, sir. I took it for the team.
You're giving him the umbrella?
Ready.
I believe in you. Godspeed. Oh no! How'd you end up with the umbrella?
Bad luck.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Lexi got the umbrella.
ओ केरी को अलग ही चल रहा है, लेक्सी को दे रही है। हाँ?
Bad luck.
और क्योंकि देख
Lexi
के,
got the.
कैरी तो वैसे भी नहीं उठा नहीं सकता उसको।
I got the umbrella. I'm confident.
It's a cruel world.
I'm so sorry.
Bro!
Pokimane, I believe in you. You are her. This is your time. This is your moment. Let everyone know that you that bad bitch.
Timer. All right, the 10-minute counter has begun. If you don't carve the shape out, obviously you'll be eliminated.
I thought being team captain would mean I could do a challenge, help my team win. Turns
तो तुम
out-
वो स्ट्रेटजी यूज कर सकते हो ना जो एक्चुअल उसमें करी थी। हाँ लिक वाला।
It tastes really good though.
Easy peasy. 10 minutes is a long time.
And that's what I thought as well, but it took a solid chunk of time
Ah.
before this happened. But not everyone had it so easy. Like Logan Paul with the star and Pokimane with the hardest of them all.
गई
Crack down the middle.
गई। पोकीमैन देखा?
Umbrella
पोकीमैन।
just obliterated Pokimane. The others took notice and were more cautious with their umbrellas.
वो प्रोनाउंस सर, वो प्रोनाउंसिएशन उसका वही है, पोकीमैन।
But the people with simpler
वो
shapes
सही से लिक नहीं कर रहे उस
showed
चीज
more
को।
progress.
गला वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो कंप्लीटली उस चीज को, जबकि अपने जो टंग का बिल्कुल जो सबसे आगे वाला हिस्सा है ना, उसको उस चीज में डाल देना चाहिए, जो 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 गैप है ना उसके बीच में ले जाके वो करना चाहिए उसको पूरी।
बैक साइड से नहीं, वो उसका जो होता है ना, वो बैक साइड से, क्योंकि बैक जहाँ पे डेप्थ होती है ना
सर
तो वहाँ की थिकनेस कम होती है, पर आप बैक एरिया को अगर आप वो करोगे ना
सर
तो वो जल्दी वो वाला एरिया गल जाएगा।
सर आपने करा है? मैंने करा है।
आप कब किया तुम चलेगी?
सर जब ये बहुत बड़ा चल गया था ना ये स्क्विड गेम्स,
हाँ,
तब मुंबई में कोई चूतिया रेस्टोरेंट ये चीज़ चालू कर दिए थे,
अच्छा।
हमने करा है सर। तो जनरली वो क्या करते हैं, ये चूतिया लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, उस गोल सी उसको जोर से ना लिक करना चालू कर दिया, तो वो ज़बान पे ही जोर लग के टूट जाता था,
हाँ,
है ना। सो आई केम अप विद
वो नहीं करना उसमें, एक्चुअली आपको सलाइवा आपका
सलाइवा भी मत करो ना,
ऐसे नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा।
सलाइवा से मत करो, आप अपना थूक वहीं डालो जहां पे जरूरत है। अपनी जीभ का जो आगे का टॉप मोस्ट हिस्सा है उसको उसके अंदर, हाँ उसके अंदर ले जाओ, ताकि क्या सलाइवा वहीं जाए जहां पे जरूरत है, फिर आप आराम से उसको निकाल सकते हो, आपके पूरी वो गंदी नहीं होगी।
God, my team rules.
Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go.
Logan, that might be the most disgusting cookie out here.
Bro, you're making me do this, bro. I'm trying to win $1 million for the low gang. Nice, nice, nice.
Y'all got it, boys. Good stuff.
चलाओ।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, सॉरी सॉरी,
Yes, yes, yes.
गया
Fallen soldier. Oh, guys.
डायल करिए। ओके गुड, लोगन पोल भी कर चुका है।
I hate you, Jimmy. All right. Hey, wait, hey, really quick. I'm good. Hey, that's where it's gonna mess up. This is where people crack.
टाइम खत्म हो गया क्या?
10 मिनट है, चल रहा है अभी तो।
टाइम तक नहीं निकला।
You did this!
हे माँ की
Just for a piece of change.
What happened?
He betrayed me.
Yeah, do you trust him with your
I
life?
trust him. I trust him fully. You gave the guy with the worst eyesight, with the worst hands, the worst thing.
I'm sorry, brother.
And with that, the second challenge has eliminated Colby and Rugg, Michael Reeves, Fede,
It's okay, bro.
Ozzy,
Thank you, thank you.
Lexi, and Matt.
गया ना, वो पहले निकल गई, पहले निकल गई।
Was the friends we made along the way, and that's no theory.
Retirement begins! Yes.
अच्छा,
He just re-retired.
And we also lost Jay Sled, Pokimane and Matsu, and lastly, of course, Sketch.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Are you gonna dab him up?
11 people were eliminated, and only 34 of you remain.
Congrats.
You are an evil man, Mr. Beast. There were some beloved people that were taken. I'm happy they're gone, every single one of them, because it means my odds are better. Now the herd has been thinned, and I'm gonna win.
अरे
While setting up the next challenge, I let the 34 remaining YouTubers entertain themselves.
We can play a game. How close can you get to red line, bro?
Look at that with bottle caps.
That's right. The device that entertains your favorite creators are bottle caps.
Oh. Oh.
Not gonna think about it.
Oh. 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 Oh shit. Oh shit.
Alright, that's enough of that. For challenge 3, I need you all in groups of 2 and duct tape your hands together. Be careful who you pick as your partner.
I was best man at these weddings, so we're riding together.
All right, let's do it, Andrea.
ये तो दोनों बहनें हैं तो आपस में रह सकती है.
For some reason, everyone just paired up with their closest friends.
They think that they're gonna be teammates.
Which, let's be
Carry,
honest,
carry,
is
carry.
not the best strategy.
Carry और लोगन हुआ है.
Do we have to hold hands or am I just doing
you
this?
do have to hold hands.
Sorry, sorry. Why am I with him? He's crazy.
Now that everyone has a partner, update the floor. Go ahead and bring it on in. Whoever you're duct taped to, we will cut you loose, and you'll be going head to head.
Oh
in
no.
giant
नहीं.
Jenga.
नहीं 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 bro नहीं.
No, we got this. We got this.
You've been laughing nonstop this whole time, so
दिक्कत
I
हो
think
जाएगी
it makes
यार.
sense for you to go first. The tape is off.
Let's see who's going home.
Oh, imagine it falls to
ये
the first
लोगन की
one.
हाइट ज्यादा है ना भाई.
Okay. He's not done until he puts the block on top.
Now, obviously, the plan for Giant Jenga was to be
Yeah.
a more extreme version of the game. But the tower was getting so tall, they couldn't even reach the top with a ladder.
Oh, that is the most rickety ladder I've seen in my life.
And because there was now a limit to how high the tower could go, eventually they would run out of possible moves.
This might be the final move right here.
That was literally the last possible block to pull. So, JJ, you've ran out of luck. What are we doing here?
It's been a pleasure, bro.
Oh.
Whoa!
तो लेके नहीं.
Surely not. You're here, savage.
An hour and a half Jenga game for that. I'm speechless. I don't know what's going on.
नहीं बे.
He lost and then he took me out. That is insane.
I'm gonna let you all vote if you think it was fair or not that JJ carried him out. Go to the right side if you think it's fair. Go to the left if you think it isn't.
I wish there was more evil people on that side.
Not fair, not fair. No fair, man. No fair.
The people have spoken.
With KSI
तो इधर
out,
गांड पड़ गई
JJ
थी इसकी.
in, 33 of you still remain.
That was fair? Yeah, that's a game. I'm about to. I'm just saying, bro. That's the game.
Team Prime, we got this. Logan, smash this.
Because that last game took hours, and I can't hold these YouTubers hostage forever,
We pivoted to normal Jenga. Yes, I messed up. Pull your first block. Let's do this.
Okay.
immediately the game
क्या लगता है
began
लोगों
and
या
moved
फिर
quickly,
कैरी?
quickly. And soon things started to get competitive.
There's no way. It's so crazy.
Oh, yo. Are you kidding me?
But
लोगन
suddenly,
मेरे को लग रहा है लोगन हारेगा.
something happened.
Oh, what the?
Nico's got a great video idea if he wins this, so I want him to go out there and actually give it a try.
Because of the way this challenge works, some of these creators accidentally paired themselves with their closest allies, and therefore
He was the best man at my wedding. He flew 27 hours to be here.
were even willing to sacrifice themselves
ओ
for their friends.
ये कैसे चलेगा?
Oh my god.
This is how the UK does it. You gotta do it for your boys.
नहीं बे.
You gotta just say, you know what? Let them play.
By this point, the towers had gotten so big
She can't pull from the top two.
that even breathing on them the wrong way would cause them to collapse, costing the loser subscribers $1 million.
Nope. That wasn't even close. It's impossible.
लोगन
It's done, Tommy.
तो बेला पहुंच भी गई.
Yep, wait.
And upon elimination after elimination, we were coming down to the end of this challenge.
Hit me in the lip. I'm earning this million, fam. I mean, bro, you got one move.
नहीं कैरी शिट नहीं.
Logan, he flew here all the way from
42
India.
million subscribers है साले.
It was very fun, man.
What do you think about us passing
देख
from
क्या बोला?
India? Logan, he flew here all the way from India, and you eliminated him.
It was very fun, man.
What What do you think about us passing T-Series?
Whoever crosses, I think it's for the YouTube community. Whoever is the first needs to be respected.
Let's go.
This is 2014.
Are you know what?
I am very happy.
Now I wish you would have won.
The last tower standing.
यार
was
नहीं
without
यार
doubt the most competitive
मेरा भाई
game
चलेगा
we had.
Pull that bad boy.
वो
These two were at it for more than 2 hours longer than the rest of the YouTubers.
That's crazy.
No.
You got it. Yoink.
माथे पे पड़ेगी मत कर
Challenge 3 is officially over. And with that, let's bring in the beds. Okay, everyone has beds. We'll see you in the morning for the 4th challenge.
And that concludes the first 24 hours of this challenge. And I'm gonna be honest, it's actually pretty crazy. All these YouTubers are just casually sleeping next to $1 million in cash. And by the end of this video, it could quite literally be yours.
Good morning, love guy. What's poppin'?
Oh my god, that takes me back. I'm getting like tingles, bro.
Ohio.
लीटरिंग वीटरिंग जाना हो तो कभी किसी को
अरे नहीं वो सब रहता होगा इसका कुछ
Ohio.
It's good morning.
Ohio.
Time to lock in and do it for
वो
the
ये ना नहीं पर
subscribers.
आपको अगर करना था किसी के
I have a surprise for all of you. Is it our families?
Whoa.
It's better than your families.
Oh no.
And for those of you who don't know who my friend Speed is, he's one of the largest creators on the entire planet. And he was supposed to be here over 24 hours ago. However,
Speed's plane just landed. He's ridiculously late. And I wanted to give you guys the option. If you want to allow him in,
and play alongside one of your fellow creators.
or if you want him just to hop back on the plane and head out. It's up to you guys.
This community, we're about inclusion, and
ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं है नहीं
he knows nothing about life-size jams.
Hasn't softened.
Oh, come on, bro. Look at that mullet on him.
I think it's time. Go on the left if you want him in. Go on the right if you don't.
We all do it together.
Get back on that plane.
何が起きてんのか俺には全く分かんないけどね。
All right, it's final. Speed, they don't want you here.
All right.
This won't be the last time you see him.
So y'all gonna get out. I remember all y'all faces.
Should have thought about that.
Now with you. And with that, bring in the 4th challenge.
Is it just speed again?
Oh no.
Bring him on in.
अरे यार
Almost immediately,
Speed
everyone
आपको
began
भगा दे
to
बेचारे
pick
को
up on what the next challenge was.
What do you think's in the briefcase?
प्राइम का शो का वेट कर रहा हूँ यार।
हम्म
Bring out Howie Mandel, please.
And considering the last time
I
we played
know.
this game, it was such a massive fan favorite. I knew we not only had to bring back the game, but also the face of the game one more time.
Oh no 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 no
Well, it's been a while.
Wow, it's like I'm live scrolling.
I need whoever has the most subscribers to come up here. Who has the most?
Don't even look at me.
Logan, I guess you have the most. Before I explain the rules, you have to pick a competitor.
I gotta go with you, Sam.
I now need you to pick a briefcase, any number.
I'll go with lucky number 11.
7 of these briefcases say eliminated. The rest are safe. Logan is gonna look inside the briefcase, and then Sam is gonna have to decide, does he want to steal it or let Logan keep it?
In the classic game of steal or no steal.
oh great
Said the thing.
This case is not safe.
Oh, dang.
Do you trust what he's saying?
I don't.
हाँ
Steal or no steal?
We're gonna go with steel.
अबे गधे के मुंह
Sam, make the right choice.
माँ की चूसे
I'm sorry, Sam.
The Sam Colby channel is now officially eliminated.
And now that Logan's case has been stolen, he will continue to play until someone doesn't steal his case.
Who do you want to go up against now?
Kai.
Hi. What number do you want, Logan?
Lucky number 7. Let's go, Kai.
I want to make sure no one can see what's in this.
Kai, look at me. Also not safe.
Not safe?
Do you think he's being honest? I'm gonna go with steal, and let me tell you why.
Oh, didn't even ask him anything.
Growing up, I've been watching Logan since he started YouTube. I know he acts in such situations. You can't fool me, bro.
You're that confident.
Briefcase! How you open this?
You,
It is safe.
he read Logan.
oh no यार correct
My heart is racing so fast right now. Ludwig, It's you.
For this one, Logan, because you said your heart was racing.
Do you mind putting on this Samsung Galaxy ring?
I don't mind.
I want to measure your heart rate. And Luddy, do you mind putting this ring on?
Yeah, no worries.
Logan's 106 right now. Ludwig's 87.
Regardless of what I see in here, I'm gonna ask you to keep the skates.
Ludwig's getting a bit stressed.
What?
I got a little stressed out when he started to do something to keep stuff.
Surely the best move to do is just let him have it. It's too risky to guess.
I didn't even see it. Can I keep it? What is happening in your own heart? Carl, actually, what is happening there?
It's going crazy, I'm gonna be honest.
It's at 1 and 3 right now. Okay. This
Whoa.
one word will change the life of a follower. $1 million.
He's good.
He's doing the thing. Steal or no steal? No steal. Logan Paul is.
Save! I'm ready. There's only one case for me.
I know. Case 14.
All right, we don't even have to look at it.
Great, bro. Great.
I traveled 27 hours to be here.
And let's see if it was all for nothing.
तो बेसिकली क्या चला सकते हैं लोगन को जाए और अब
देख जनरली क्या करना है लोगन वो सूटकेस खोलेगा उस पे एलिमिनेट या सेफ लिखा रहेगा सामने वाला अगर उसको लेगा एलिमिनेट लिखा रहेगा तो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा सेफ लिखा रहेगा तो वो तब तक चीज चलती रहेगी क्योंकि ब्रीफकेस तो एक ही उठ रहा है ना तो जब तक चीज वो होएगी कि सामने वाला जो डेनर है वो एलिमिनेट नहीं हो जाता
पर अगर सामने वाला हमेशा स्टील करता रहेगा तो लोगन हमेशा सेफ में रहेगा
मतलब एट द एंड ब्रीफकेस किसके पास होता है अगर कोई स्टील कर लेता तो उसके पास ब्रीफकेस है अब उसमें एलिमिनेट हो गया तो वो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा सेफ हुआ तो वो सेफ हो जाएगा
जैसे कि आप प्रीवियसली जो थे मैंने देखे हैं कि जो डिल बट नॉट डिल और स्टिल नॉट स्टिल में क्या होता था कि अगर मैंने स्टिल किया और मेरे इसमें सेफ है मतलब सामने वाला एलिमिनेट हो रहा है पर यहाँ पे क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है कि सामने वाला अगर स्टिल कर रहा है
नहीं तो समझ
एलिमिनेट नहीं हो रहा है वो एलिमिनेट नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि जो स्टिल कर लिया उसके पास सेफ या नो सेफ ठीक है मतलब जो अपोनेंट है उसके पास उसका अपोजिट
या देख नहीं मेरी बात तो सुन अगर तू जैसा बोल रहा है ना
सामने वाला स्टिल करने के लिए मना बोलता है स्टिल करने के
मैं समझ रहा हूँ मैंने अरे लाइव स्टिल नो स्टिल मैंने भी देखा है लेकिन अगर इस वेव से चलेंगे ना तो एलिमिनेट होने के चांसेस 50-50% है लेकिन यहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 ही बॉक्सेस में एलिमिनेशन है और बाकी में सेफ है समझ रहे सॉरी 7 में एलिमिनेशन है और 10 में सेफ है हाँ तो 50-50% चांस नहीं रखना है इनको बस ये है चीज है मतलब जिसने भी अपने इच्छा अनुसार उसने चूज करा हाँ हाँ
27 hours.
It's nice seeing the eliminated cases go.
This is so heartbreaking.
Just don't hit a kangaroo on your way home.
I don't like you, Nolan.
And the brutality of these cases didn't stop there.
No steal.
Because the most brutal was yet to come.
I feel stabbed, I do.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I don't want to lie.
You don't want to look at her in the eyes when she opens it?
Oh, God. It says eliminated.
Maybe she's telling the truth.
I think she's acting.
Steal or no steal?
Still.
She's smiling.
What did she just do?
वो ठीक गंदी एक्टिंग कर रही थी
Her heart rate got up to 152.
She's a demon.
And even though she was lied to, Valkyrie wasn't afraid to start playing that game herself, with only 2 eliminates and 3 saves left. So now she has another chance to be deceptive.
What I just watched, I'm shocked.
That's crazy.
Can't trust anyone anymore.
You look concerned.
Last time, she was
मेरा सेकंड फेवरेट क्रिएटर निक डिजोवानी देखते हैं इसके साथ क्या होता
crying. No, she's the happiest I've ever seen her.
This is crazy.
It is safe.
Steal or no steal?
I am going to steal.
I'm gonna let the audience react.
3, 2, 1.
ओ चलो ठीक है ये चलो आफ्टर लॉगन कुछ तो रहा
These are the 4 remaining contestants. Only 2 saves and 2 elimination remains.
I'll do it. Do you want what's in that case?
No.
I feel like the last 2, it seemed like you pushed a safe pretty quickly. And I don't think you'd do that 3 times in a row. No steal.
You read me like a book.
ओ यार क्या पकड़ा है यार
One eliminated.
मार्कस ने क्या पकड़ा है वे
You're my team captain. I trust you.
I got the last eliminated.
बोटेस को निकालो यार बोटेस को निकालो प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज
Right now.
I don't think he's telling the truth. Steal or no steal?
Okay, no steal.
If this says eliminate, they both move on.
Can you trust MKBHD?
नो ब्रो शिट ब्रो
He doesn't know how to lie. And these were the two that weren't chosen, go ahead and open them. They both will be safe. And after that bloodbath, these 10 are what remain.
And only one of them can win their subscribers the $1 million prize.
I don't feel good.
I can't do this, bro. I can barely move, bro.
This is where the game kind of gets hard because now we gotta eliminate our new acquaintances.
नहीं यार
Sucks.
It's now time for the 5th challenge. Switch the floor. There are 5 pairs of 2 dots. I once again need you all to pair up into groups of 2.
And this time, you'll be working together.
You want to take the risk? I'm down. I'm down.
Got this. I've got this.
Kai, you trust this man with $1 million?
It's my brother. I trust Kai.
Why you two?
The female bond.
Oh
You two been getting along well?
Yeah, because all my friends out and he speaks French.
All right, Carl, blindfold them all.
I'll see you on the other side.
Dark in here. Now that everyone is blindfolded,
अरे यार
get
shit
set.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
This room is being transformed right now.
I lean to my left. There is something hard.
What do you think's going on?
I smell a bit of gas. I touch here, it's cloth.
Yep.
Jimmy, is this an
Hey, stop touching
You,
things.
I asked you.
All right, everybody, remove your blindfold.
इसमें निको अबे इसमें निक जीत जाएगा बे यार
Sure you all piece together. This is a team cooking challenge.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go,
अबे निक एक प्रोफेशनल शेफ है यार शिट यार
baby.
I am terrified.
एडवांटेज है उसके लिए
Bro, how'd you end up with Nick?
He said it.
That's crazy.
I'm cooked.
Have you cooked before?
I'm not. I'm cooked.
Oh, he's
With this challenge.
Bro, the best things I cook is eggs, toast, and cereal.
We've been on a cooking team before.
We've been on a cooking team before.
Hey, so you have some experience.
No, we did bad. We did bad.
आउट हो गए
Do
थे
that again. We will be bringing in 3 judges. They will rate all your meals on a scale of 1 to 10. The 3 teams with the highest ratings move on. The 2 teams with the lowest ratings are eliminated. Bring out our first judge, Joey Chestnut.
Oh
What better man to judge your food than the literal best eater on the planet?
No,
He broke
bro.
so many food world records.
हाँ
He
दे
has
वही तो
8
exactly
records,
वही
Guinness
वही
World
वही
Records. And now for our second judge, Miranda Cosgrove.
Oh
Hi, Carly. You losing my mind.
Kai was excited about that
I'm
one.
excited, bro.
Our third and final judge. Bring him on out. He needs no introduction.
आई मेरा भाई आया है
Watch this. That's all I gotta say.
The time has officially started. You guys can cook anything you want.
This time is going to go by way faster than you think. On top of that, your dish will be judged on taste, creativity, and presentation.
The race has begun. Let's see what they whip up.
And iCarly, her older brother Spencer, love eating spaghetti tacos. Spaghetti tacos.
देखे मैंने इसको बहुत देखे हैं भाई
What are you two making?
We are making a cordon bleu, which is a French dish.
इनको 1 घंटा हो गया
Some mac and cheese.
Okay?
I'm trying to do Spanish tortilla, and he's trying to do fried rice, clashing 2 countries together to make
A war?
a war.
Oh my gosh, this looks good already. There's just onions and some spices. This man was mentored by Gordon Ramsay. So basically, there's only
Exactly.
4 slots besides these 2.
It's gonna be so embarrassing if the 2 women get eliminated for cooking. No, it's not, because women do more than cook.
अरे जा रहे
So
तू
for dessert, we're making chocolate-covered strawberries.
I'm really hungry. I can't wait to eat.
Get ready to put everything down.
Okay, okay, please, please, please. Oh, okay, it looks good.
Should I add loads of cheese?
ए गया
Yo. Bro, you gotta hold the sandwich.
$1 million is riding on this. 3, 2, 1. Stop what you're doing. The
वो
time
पहले ही
is
पकड़ के बैठा हुआ
officially
निक
up. They're going first.
What we're eating tonight is a French cordon bleu.
I actually like those.
Yeah, the asparagus are good.
Whatever you judges are ready. I'll start.
9
Really good. Whoa, a
8
9.
8 okay
Oh, these are high numbers.
9 oh
Your total score was 26.
26
Are you guys ready?
That was a little intimidating, but
Bring it on up.
all right. We wanted to go with American comfort food.
I don't want to hype y'all up until I've
Of
tasted
course,
it,
yeah.
but I think it's gonna taste all right.
Really good mac and cheese.
Joey, when you're ready.
oh
It was delicious. I love them.
Speed, based on that reaction, I assume you're going to give something lower?
Miranda, you go.
9. Yes, thank you.
speed
I'm about to cry. Don't do this to me.
Hey, don't manipulate.
Don't, no.
Speed, vote based on the food. I need you to turn around. Speed, hey.
अरे भाई तू दे 0 दे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है
That's fair. That's fair.
Oh, that is also a 26.
You're tripping, bro. 10? You can't just pass out 10s like that because you like to eat, bro.
उसको समझा रहा है.
There you go.
Welcome to Kai and AJ's Ratatouille Bodega. First things up, Miranda.
Oh, yeah!
We have the famous, the one and only, Spencer Spaghetti Falco.
The greatest presentation I've ever seen.
AJ, who do we have in the middle? ISO Speed. ISO Speed. Who is the best football player of all time? Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronaldo pasta.
Just for you. Don't tell him too much. Now listen. Don't tell him too much.
ये उसको पकड़ रखा है.
Bring out the Tower of Records. Record Tower. So when you eat it, you can feel it. Oh! Oh my gosh!
यार speed का reaction यार.
I don't think I'm gonna finish this.
You're good. You're good. Like you hungry? You just came up with a good stream. You busting that down, boy. Bro. Oh, wait. Really?
ये गाड़ मार दी.
All right.
Miranda.
It's a solid spaghetti taco.
I love the show. But at the end of the day,
It's about the food.
it's about the food.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Reveal it.
Oh.
Whoa. There we go. All right, take it away.
चलो प्रोफेशनल शेफ आ गए.
Creamy chicken tomato pasta.
This was a dessert inspired by my father. He's not here with us. Like in this room, he's still very much alive.
Oh, dog. It's like exquisite, you know? It's like a lemon punch of meat.
There's the meat.
It's meat punch of meat. I don't want to eat
really
too much.
good.
Yeah, here, I'll move these forward.
Wow.
Wow.
Gotta say, Feastables and strawberries taste amazing.
It's very good, right?
Yeah, you should go to Walmart and buy it right now, whoever's watching this.
I'll do it right after this.
I want to eat more of it.
I really liked it.
Oh.
It's something that I will order.
Okay.
Speed, not to cut you off, but that's officially above 16, which means these two have now been eliminated. Gentlemen, Miranda doesn't even need to vote. You guys are gone. I'm sorry, but it's over. All right, what was your rating?
10. Exactly यार मेरे प्रोफेशनल
Almost a
शेफ.
perfect score.
Wait.
Okay.
One time for the one time, please. It's been so long.
Oh! अबे वो बाहर निकल गया बे.
You just left.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I couldn't resist throwing a plate. That was a complete mistake. I forgot all about the line. I saw the plate. I was like, I need to smash it. It took me back to 2017.
Yeah, when you used to smash plates in your vlogs. Will it make you feel better? If I let
और नहीं यार.
Sure. Prime, the fastest growing beverage in history, available at Walmart, Target. Oh, I'm shocked,
अब बस एक मेरा फेवरेट एक ही बचा निगड़ी जवानी बस.
but also not. I hope Jimmy invites me back.
When he first ran out, I was like, oh, that's funny.
You know what's crazy is this cube doesn't feel like the cube with the kitchen setup.
Yeah.
So I can see how maybe he was like,
With like this table here too.
it feels so different.
Yeah, this setup is insane.
And now for the final meal.
This is a traditional Spanish tortilla.
Not bad.
Judges, are you ready to reveal it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, reveal.
6 9 7. Oh.
That adds up to 22, which means you two are eliminated.
Okay. It's been a pleasure.
And with that, 5 contestants remain. Congratulations!
अरे यार.
One of you will win $1 million for your subscribers. It's gonna be crazy.
With $1 million, I'm gonna do a find me and win a bunch of money challenge.
I want to use a lot of it to donate as many meals as I possibly can.
करता ही है वैसे normally भी.
Some really cool chess events for our subs. I would really like to pay for a lot of people's like art degree.
I like to build schools in South Morocco. It could change a lot of lives.
The final 5.
Yeah, baby!
When we started, here's what the cube looked like. And now, everyone literally fits in the money. Now, before we do the last challenge, if you all look over here, open the curtains. These are real play buttons made by YouTube. Wow. Whoever wins, we will also give you every play button of everyone who competed in this tournament.
What?
Wow.
क्या कैरी का भी गया क्या?
Collect the heads of people you killed.
Yeah, exactly. All right, bring in the final challenge.
कंप्लीट किया था उन सबके
वो
At
पर नकली होंगे मेरे ख्याल से, असली तो नहीं दिए होंगे। हाँ डुप्लीकेट, हाँ।
4 have nothing in it. 1 has $1 million check inside of it. Take your blindfolds off. Come grab a briefcase and take them back to your podium. All right. Everyone, look inside your briefcase.
And now that everyone knows what they have, everyone will cast a vote to eliminate one player from the game. If that player's case is empty, they're eliminated. If you guys happen to vote for the player with the money, the game is over, and that YouTuber walks away with $1 million for their subscribers.
Oh, baap re.
This is a game of bluffing and how well you can read each other. Which one of you has the best poker face?
Start the timer. One of you can win $1 million in the next few minutes.
Right out the gate, I'm pretty confident it's one of these two.
The women?
Yeah.
Why?
Your facial expressions.
Exactly.
He's a bit aggressive, no?
He's taking charge. Is he taking charge because he has $0 and he's scared to be voted off?
Could be.
This is tense.
I so far think she has the million, to be honest.
She's the most confident, but like trying to mask it.
She has the million.
Do you? I have the million.
So you're saying you have the $1 million?
I have $1 million.
Okay.
I feel confident that you don't.
What makes you say that?
Because I know she has 0 and wants to stay in longer.
You think her briefcase says $0 and she's lying so you won't vote for her?
She wants to make sure that she stays in another round, but it does not say $1 million.
Okay.
Less than 5 minutes till you all have to decide.
If I didn't know what everybody had, I think it's best to vote as alliances. We were teammates, your teammate ran out. So the easiest thing would be to vote Nick out, and then we all have a better chance. If I was playing with no information.
Okay, but you do have info, so who do you want to vote?
You guys should vote me.
We should vote you.
I would like to win.
I think voting Alex is beast. I'm comfortable doing it. I know she doesn't have the $1 million.
That's ballsy.
Everyone here's been very cool, and so I'm going to play it by the game, and she's lied in this game.
I have the $1 million. If I've lied in the game, wouldn't someone else have also lied?
Yeah, but I know you've lied.
That's risky.
बट चेस प्लेयर है, लाइक मेरे ख्याल से इसकी चालें थोड़ी सी अलग है। इसको ब्लफ करना आता है, अपनी वो सब चीजें करने का। देखते हैं। बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट, बट चेस प्लेयर में आपको फिजिकली कॉन्फिडेंट होना पड़ेगा अपने उसके लिए। लेकिन यहाँ जब आप झूठ बोल रहे हो तो आपके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस, आपके बात करने का तरीका, ये सब मायने रखता है। तो लाइक आपको सोच समझ के झूठ बोलना होता है। आई डोंट नो।
So win $1 million. If the risk is wrong.
फोकस होता है वो बोर्ड पे होता है।
एग्जैक्टली।
पर यहाँ पे आप सामने वाले का फेस आपको
दिख रहा है, आपके बात कर, आप घबरा जाओगे थोड़ी देर में। अगर आपके $1 million जाए, आपके अंदर एक खुशी होगी, आप उस खुशी को कैसे छिपाओगे? झूठ बोल रहे हो कि मेरे पास नहीं है, या फिर बोलोगे मेरे पास है, वो आपकी चेहरे से दिख जाएगा।
She wins it. You guys should go ahead and start writing down who are you voting for.
निक को वोट आउट नहीं कर दे यार बस।
All right.
I hope Nick
Let's
जीते।
see who you voted for. Our first vote is for Jaden Animations.
I didn't even do anything.
That was out of left field.
That was surprising.
Our second vote is for Ludwig. Our third vote is for Amixim.
सबने एक एक को कर दिया।
Is Jaden.
Dude, I didn't.
And the final vote is Ludwig.
Whoa.
So it's a tie.
Since we have a tie, we're adding a minute on the timer. You three will get to hear them plead their cases and then have to re-vote. Explain why they should or should not vote for you two.
I didn't think we were voting for me.
Well, you would have voted for yourself if you had the $1 million. I think you voted for yourself.
No. That means Ludwig voted for himself. That means he has it. If this is true.
Who do you think I voted for?
I think you voted for him.
I voted for Ludwig.
Yeah, so did I.
I voted for Jaden.
Jaden, who did you vote for? Him. You voted for him?
So this is a no-brainer.
Wait, then you said so did I.
All right, timer hits 0. It's now up to you three to break the tie. Our first vote, Ludwig. How does that make you feel?
Read the second one.
Well, I want to know how that first one made you feel.
I would like for you to read the second. I think it's going to be good.
The second
मतलब ब्रीफकेस खोलने के लिए आपको वोट आउट होना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर उसका खाली निकला तो वो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा। मतलब आपको वोट आउट किया है और भरा हुआ निकला तो जीत गए।
मनी लेके
बाहर जा सकते हो, बाकी सब ठंडन गोपाल।
It's Jaden.
Oh man, dude.
What?
Shaking again.
The person
वो जा रही है, वो निकल रही है, उसके पास नहीं है.
Is Ludwig.
मुझे भी ये लग रहा है पर I don't know.
If this says $1 million, the video is over. If it says $0,
I don't think
we
so,
do
bro.
another round.
Been a pleasure, guys.
मैं कह रहा हूँ I don't think so, bro.
Beast mode though.
I knew you bluffed. GG's.
With Ludwig now eliminated, he joined the rest of the fallen soldiers in our viewing room to watch the rest of the challenge.
अच्छा सब लोग यहाँ बैठे
The
हैं.
second round starts once again with everyone blindfolded. We then reshuffled and the remaining players picked their briefcases.
You guys know what to do. Start the 10-minute timer.
Oh.
Jaden, did you get a mil again?
But you said you had the million.
And she said she had 0. So everybody is lying, but there's 3 people who have 0 who are going to need to work together to figure out who has a mil.
Yeah.
Did anybody see anything? Any body language?
You're the only one that gave different body language. You were much more animated.
Wait a minute.
Do you have anything?
फिर जिसके पास मिलियन उसको एलिमिनेट कर ही नहीं सकते हैं.
मतलब
वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते.
सिर्फ वो खोलने के लिए. अब जैसे कॉन्फिडेंस के हिसाब से देखेंगे कि किसके पास $1 मिलियन है या किसके पास $1 मिलियन नहीं है. बस किसी को वोट आउट करोगे, वो आएगा अपना अपना बक्सा खोलेगा, $1 मिलियन निकले तो वो जीत जाएगा. अगर खाली निकला तो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. दैट्स इट.
पर सुनो ना.
हाँ.
सपोज लास्ट में 2 जने बचे हैं.
हाँ. तो किसके पास है बताओ ना.
नहीं साथ में 2 जने बचे हैं. लास्ट में 2 जने हैं. ठीक है ना.
हाँ तो दोनों के खुलेंगे ना.
मिलियन है. सुन, एक के पास मिलियन है, एक के पास नहीं है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो वो जो बंदा है वो खुद के लिए वोट करेगा.
नहीं आखिरी जब दो लोग बचेंगे तो एट द
ऑलरेडी मालूम पड़ जाएगा किसके पास है.
तो 2 लोग बचे रहेंगे तो आपको खुलवा ही लेंगे ना बक्सा किसके पास है किसके पास नहीं है.
वो तो वैसे ही मालूम पड़ जाएगा
हाँ.
किसके पास है किसके पास नहीं है.
हाँ.
और
अगर ऐसा वोटिंग भी करती ना भाई तो मेरे पास $1 मिलियन था, मैं खुद के लिए भी वोट करता. मेरे के लिए करो. हाँ.
I have suitcase.
You could also be trying to get the pressure off of you to try to vote me out.
Absolutely.
I know it's not me. I don't think it's you.
So the million is here or here for you?
Yeah, mostly.
मेरे ख्याल से मिस्टर बीच के पास
You
है.
think he has it?
Our first real claim. You're
बैठा हुआ
saying
उसके ऊपर
he
यार.
has the $1 million briefcase.
As of right now, I think he has the $1 million briefcase.
Who are you voting for?
It's valuable info. You vote for someone, they vote for themselves. It's 2 of the 4
निक
votes.
सबसे सही खेल रहा है मेरे ख्याल से.
I don't know. For me, it's a 50-50 between.
तो देखना उसका लाइक वो क्या बोलते हैं पोकर फेस हमेशा ऑन है. खुश भी है तो बता नहीं रहा है, दुखी है तो भी बता नहीं रहा है. नॉर्मल हमेशा फेस एक जैसे रख रहा है.
Me?
Yeah, because that's just a matter of statistics, probability.
Like statistically, I shouldn't have it again.
That's an interesting point.
All right. Write who you want to open their briefcase. Up first, we have a vote for Jaden. Our second vote is for Alex. 1-1. Our third vote is also for Jaden.
बाहर जा रही है ये.
And our fourth and final vote is Jaden.
I guess ये बाहर जा रही है.
If this has $1 million, you instantly win.
नहीं.
I think it does.
Oh shit.
Whoa! You were so chill. I was like, surely she's out.
Oh no यार shit यार.
How do you plan on giving it away to your subscribers?
It's hard for a lot of artists out there. I just, I really like to send a lot of them to art school.
And there you have it. JD Animations just won $1 million for her subscribers. Hey, don't let them down. Do it right now.
Subscribe right now. I see you. Hit the subscribe button now.
Great bro, great video.